Hello student, welcome to our digital class. I hope all of you are safe and staying at home and enjoying the new technique of learning. We already started the chapter Operation with Large Numbers. In previous video, you learned addition and subtraction of large numbers. In this video, we continue with multiplication and division of large numbers. First, we see multiplication of larger numbers. For multiplication and division, we need to know about table very well. Then only we are able to do multiplication and division very easily. Now I will show you one activity which teach you how to count tables 6 to 10 on your fingers. It is a finger tricks. You can follow by me. Imagine the numbers 6 to 10 on your fingers from drawing thumb to your little finger. Let's do a problem of 7 into 8 multiply 7 into 8. For this, first rotate your left hand so that we have finger being 7. And rotate your right hand, line up number 8. Now we count the number of fingers that are below the two fingers that are touching. We have 2 fingers on the left hand and 3 fingers on the right hand, which is total of 5 fingers. This shows tens place of the answer, that is 50. Now count the fingers above the touching finger. 3 fingers on the left hand and 2 fingers on the right hand. We multiply these two numbers, that is 3 into 2 is 6. Therefore, to get the final answer, it is 50 plus 6 equal to 56. You can easily use this procedure anytime you multiplying the two numbers between 6 to 10. Now see again one more example. Count the fingers, children, below the touching finger and above the touching finger, and try to solve it. Isn't it an easy technique, children? Now we will start multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition of numbers. Let's see this with example. Suppose one set contains 4 guitars and there are 3 such sets. To count total guitars, we add these numbers, that is 4 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 12. Means here we have taken 4 3 times. Therefore 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Means multiplication involves sets of objects. Can you write a multiplication problem for these sets? Think about it. I think you can do it. Small number multiplication you already learnt in previous class. Here now we multiply the large number. Let's take an example. Multiply 65,743 by 3,682. Our first step is here to arrange these numbers in a vertical order. Now here the number which is going to be multiplied is called multiplicand, and the number by which we are multiplying we call multiplier. Here 3682 is a multiplier and 65,743 is multiplicand, and the answer of multiplication called product. Now while starting the multiplication, we always start multiplication from right to left. That means from ones place. Now multiply 65,743 by 1's place of multiplier, that is 2. So we multiply these numbers. 2 3s are 6, then 2 4s are 8, then 2 7s are 14. So we write 4 and carry forward 1. Then 2 5s are 10 plus carried over 1 equals to 11. Therefore put 1 and carry forward 1 again. Then 2 6s are 12 plus carried 1 equals to 13. Therefore we get the product 1,31,486. Now one digit multiplication is over. Therefore now multiply with tens place of multiplier, that is 8. So put 0 in the ones place of the next product. Then start multiplication by 8. 8 3s are 24. Therefore write 4, carry forward 2. Then 8 4s are 32 plus 2 equals to 34. Write 4, carry forward 3. Then 8 7s are 56 plus 3 equals to 59. Write 9 and carry forward 5. Then 8 5s are 40 plus 5 equals to 45. Therefore write 5 and carry forward 4. Then 8 6s are 48 plus 4 equals to 52. So we get the answer 52,59,440. Now let's multiply with next digit, that is 6. It is 100 plus digit, so that we put 2 zeros in the next product. Now you multiply 65,743 by 6. Here click the icon children and choose the correct ones. Now let's multiply with next digit 6. It is 100 plus digit, so that we put 2 zeros in the next product. Now you multiply 65,743 by 6. Now see here children, 6 3s are 18. So we write 8 and carry forward 1. Then 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. Therefore write 5 and carry forward 2. Then 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2 44. Therefore write 4 and carry forward 4. Then 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 34. Write 4 here and carry forward 3. Then next 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 equals to 39. Therefore we got the number 3,94,45,800. Now the next step is to multiply by 1000 place of the multiplier, that is 3. Put 3 zeros in the next product and start multiplication. Multiply 65,743 by 3 and find out the number. So we got the next number is 19 crore 72 lakh 29,000. Then here our multiplication is over. Then our last step is to add all these numbers. After addition, we get the number 24 crore 20 lakh 65,726. This is our product and this is our final answer. Understood, children, how to multiply the large numbers? Listen video carefully and understand it and solve the exercise related to this video. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.